Hey there, welcome to the 10th episode. Alright, so let's get rid of this labeling since we're done with it. Actually, we're not done with it. Positive, negative. I gotta wire that up before I forget. Yeah, so I guess today's order of business is to first start with wiring this up. Alright, so let's see. This side is the positive, so this is positive, this is negative, which means that this black cable needs to go with this cable, and they need to get soldered together, but I need to cut this one because I don't like pre-soldered stuff. So, let's do a pair of scissors, because pliers are lame. Actually, pliers would work better in this situation, I think, since these are thinner wires. So we will use pliers instead. And we will only cut a little bit, because I don't know how much I need to cut yet. We can determine that after I cut this. We can also determine whether I'm going to tape them together or tape them separately, as I mentioned in vlog number 9, which I don't know when I uploaded since I am now recording vlog number 10 and I haven't even uploaded like vlog number 6 yet. Okay. Well, shoot, I don't... Oh, actually, come on. Didn't press hard enough there. Alright, we're going to cut off a bit of this red one too. Positive. Be positive. Don't be negative. That's what they tell you in school. But it doesn't work. Alright. Anyways, I'm getting sidetracked here. Let's get this. Let's get this cut. Come on. This is really quite frustrating. There we go. That took a little bit more effort than anticipated, but that's alright. Okay, so now, oh, that's right, we gotta strip these cables. These look like I don't know cables. I don't know, they look kind of like 20 gauge cables. Maybe? Well, maybe they're 18. I'm actually not sure about this. That's okay. Okay, I think they're 18. Oh, okay, maybe they're 20. They're just slightly wider than 20, because they don't feel like 18. Okay. Well, we're gonna strip each one. Alright. Dang. The wiring is really like getting stripped off along with the okay, though that's kind of an unfortunate wiring. I think I'm gonna have to use a bit more solder on that one to make sure the connection is good. That's okay. So this left one is positive, so it goes from positive, comes around, it's this cable is positive, which means that it is going with, wait a second. This cable is positive, and it's going with the red cable. Okay, this cable is going with the black cable. We can do the black cable first. So I guess the plan is to make the cables run under through here, so we can tape it down here. We can also tape it down here as well. And, well, I guess first off we can tape this side, because this side isn't going anywhere. I see the tape that we put last episode is already falling off, which is unsurprising, but kind of sad. Alright. This is also my first episode that I've ever recorded at night. All the other ones were recorded in the afternoon, so now I only have to record one in the morning, and then I will have completed the circle of recording vlogs, I guess. Alright. So, let's... here we go. insecure, I know, but it's better than nothing. It really is. I mean, it's not that bad. A hard crash might unsettle it, but... Oh, I heard a... These cables are kind of flimsy. I'm going to take this out and put it back in later. Oh gosh, they're stuck. Alright, let me make sure this ordering cable is something that I don't forget. Let me focus. Okay, so the leftmost one is black and corresponds to the negative on this over here. So, I don't know if you can tell. But it corresponds to the negative right there. Okay. So let me take a picture of this. Otherwise I may as well forget. Okay. So that's good. It's now out of the way for now. To remind myself again, this goes with the red cable, this goes with the black. I'm going to flip this over and tape the cable on really quick. One piece of tape should do the trick. Or, actually, a smarter idea would be to tape one at a time. Okay. So we're going to tape this one. There we go. And then tape the other one down. So then it's like a double layer of protection. Not really, but like I said, it's better than nothing. The goal here is to have something. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to do one piece of tape at a time. I guess we can do this one first since it was the second one on the other arm. Okay. And then, is it not in focus? Make it in focus. Here we go. Here's another piece of tape on the other arm. So, not the sturdiest option, but better than nothing, again. Alright. So, this is the negative cable. It goes to the black one. Let's not mess that up. Let me turn on my soldering iron and get some solder. And let me make sure that these two are well and out of the way so I do not accidentally solder them. Let's see. A good option would be to have them be underneath and these on top actually. So I will move these out of the way for now so I can solder this. Out here would be kind of sketchy, but I don't know where else I could put it. We could try to bend it in and then right here I guess, but then I would have to hold it in place. Ah, that's not that bad I guess. I guess that is an option. We can actually consider that option, so let's see. You can hold, oh, you can't even see. Okay. Move this all the way over here. You can hold this down with a piece of tape. And then I guess we can cut this side. Yeah, cutting this side is probably the best way to go since I have more cable on that side. So let me wrap this up and then we will cut a bit of this cable. Down to right here should be good, honestly. This is why I use a pair of scissors. Works better for these thicker cables with the thicker plastic. Alright, so now we're gonna take this and strip it. Come on. Alright, there we go. Stripped. And then now...
Don't break it, you always bring books.
Now we can put this... Now we can put this together.
On condition that you didn't break it, and you broke it.
This is... Oh shoot, I need some shrink wrap. Before I forget, I need some shrink wrap. Shrink wrap. Some shrink wrap. Alright, this amount of shrink wrap should do the trick. We'll put it on... Actually, we'll put it on this side since we have more cable to actually work with on this side. Now that I've cut the other side. Although theoretically I could always untape and get more cable, but that is not the point. We're going to hold this down with this piece of tape over here. And then we will put these together, wrap each other around. Let's see. Let me open this up a little bit. So then, my biggest complaint with copper cables is that they're really stiff to work with. Once you move them into a certain position, they will stay in that certain position for a very long time. That may have been the intent, but it is very annoying when trying to work with them and solder them. Okay. Oh. Be right back. This thing needs a bit of water. Alright, so let's see. Let's make sure DC is
You should wear gloves. You want gloves?
I'm fine.
You should wash
I'm fine, I don't need gloves. Alright.
I'm gonna buy some spec.
I can smell the solder.
Okay, I'll go get the
I'm fine, thank you.
wow, smoking.
Alright, so we're just gonna apply a bit of solder here, or a sizable amount I should say, since that was always the intent.
No, you said over this college, Mom.
Alright. Hopefully that is good. We can test it out with continuity test. Literally my favorite test since I keep doing it, I guess. That kind of rhymed. Alright, so we got ourselves a multimeter here. It works. So we can test this negative, we hooked up a negative end to a negative end. And it beeps, so we've made a good connection. Or we've made a connection. I don't know if it's good. Seems pretty strong. You can put the shrink wrap over it now. Oh, it doesn't seem actually that good. But that's okay. Let's... Come on. Okay, there we go. Let me make sure it still It didn't disconnect itself. Okay, it's good. Let me make sure it's not positive end that's touching. Okay, cool. Now we have to solder the positive end. So, for that, we probably don't need to cut it. Well, that's hard to say. We could cut it, actually. I only need to cut it a little bit, I guess. Alright. Oh, shoot.
How much longer, Gideon, before you go to sleep?
I don't know.
How much longer?
Wait, I might have split a cable here by accident. Oh, I think it's fine.
Just do it tomorrow.
Wait. What? It's just a box. I'll throw it away when the time comes to throw it away, which should be in a week or two.
Maybe I have use for it.
Oh, okay. Then you can probably have it. Yeah, you can have it.
Just leave it here. Go to sleep.
Yeah.
Did you do your SAT today?
Yeah. Alright. I probably should have stripped the cable before I taped
Do
it.
it tomorrow, Gideon.
Wait. I'm almost done. Come
Is
on.
that the neighbor's sprinkler?
Yeah. Alright, let me cut myself another piece of shrink wrap. Oh, that's actually a pretty large piece of shrink wrap. Maybe I'll cut it a little bit smaller. Okay. Whoops.
Wow.
Yeah, really quick. Alright. Once again, we got the copper cables not moving anywhere. Very annoying copper cables not moving anywhere. Oh, and this is very annoying too, because now it's getting in the way. We can put electrical tape underneath it. Oh, that's too big. We can put a flash drive underneath it. Hopefully I don't ruin the flash drive. I'd be really sad if I did. Alright, that's not happening. We can tape it down with electrical tape. Well, that's actually probably not a good idea. Okay, that kind of works. Be good enough for now. It's not a big deal anyway. Alright. Not like me almost cutting that cable. Alright. Man, I really don't like breathing in these fumes. Oh shoot, they're coming apart. Go back together, or not. Alright, well I guess they're not going back together now. That's kind of unfortunate. Okay, we'll add a bit more solder. Alright, hopefully that's good. We can test the connection once again. Let me slide this over first. Alright. Dang, the cables are hot. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. This is not easy. I think the tape came loose. I wouldn't be surprised if it did, honestly. Alright. So, now time to test whether they work. Positive, positive. We got a connection. Negative, negative. Negative, positive, positive. Shoot. Oh wait, that's positive, positive. Okay, positive, negative, do not make a connection. Positive, positive, make a connection. Negative, positive, don't make a connection. Negative, negative, make a connection. Okay, we're good, we're good. Now, you can turn off the soldering iron, we can grab a heat gun. There's a heat gun. I found myself the perfect tool for the job, a heat gun. Alright. So let's plug this into a power strip really quick. Alright, option 1. Alright, there we go, we should be good to go. Fine. Unplug the heat gun, unplug the soldering iron. Right. And that's a connection. Test one more time. I'm paranoid. Positive, positive, negative, negative. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. We have a connection, folks. Alright, I'd like to thank you for watching vlog number 10. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm sorry this is a short video. It's late at night. It's not that late. It's 10 p.m. But thank you for watching. I'll be hopefully uploading regularly. If I don't, it's because I don't got no internet or whatever. But thank you for watching. My next upload will be soon. I will get this drone done before August 1st. Thank you.